Experience the full colors of spring this Easter. As the things are looking brighter, and the days are getting longer, it is the time to rejoice ourselves. Satguru Travel is offering splendid holiday packages for Easter to choose from. Pack your bags to travel to Cape Town starting from $609. Dubai starting from $295. Johannesburg starting from $849. Kuala Lumpur starting from $240. Mauritius starting from $902. Seychelles starting from $570. Singapore starting from $370. Thailand starting from $245. Turkey starting from $382. Paris starting from $720. Maldives starting from $615. Sao Tome starting from $239. For more information, contact us.